Hi, Akhil here. Let's do another Lightroom tutorial. It's called Dark Moody Preset. You can download free preset for Lightroom, link in description. Which includes desktop version as well. There is XMP file you can also use for Lightroom Classic and also on Photoshop RAW filters. And if you are using a tablet or a mobile phone, there is a DNG version too. Make sure you watch the video till the end to get password. If you really like the video, please support us by liking this video. We will keep providing you high quality stuffs. This is a preview of the preset, which shows before and after applying the preset. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification bell icon for more videos, and give your valuable comments below. Password consists of 4 numbers and the password will appear on top right corner as a card. Now let's get started with Lights panel. Let's first increase the contrast to 16. Now highlights to -36. Shadows to 30. Whites to -42, and then blacks to +10. Now let's go to Curve panel. This is how we need to do the curve. Now let's go to Colors panel. Change temperature to 8. Vibrance to -10. Saturation to -20. Let's now go to Color Mix panel. Now let's do red last. First let's go to green. Hue to 55. And the saturation to 5. Then luminance to all the way to -60. On yellow, saturation to -50 and luminance to -20. Now on orange, change hue to -10. Saturation to -26. Luminance to 30. On red, change the hue to -6, and saturation to 10. After that, click Done. Are you getting bored? Let's see 3 amazing facts about photography. The most viewed photograph in history is this old Windows default screen. This image, Bliss, by Charles O'Rear, is the most viewed image in all of human history. The first flashes that used to take photos were mini explosions. Potassium chloride and aluminum were used, incorrectly, to get a huge explosion. Studies says that everyone has their own pose, but a good side, it's the left side of your face. Do you know any amazing facts on photography? Let's share on the comments below. Now let's get back. Now the photos need some blue and aqua corrections. On aqua, take hue all the way to 100. Saturation to -30. Now on blue, hue to -16 and saturation to -50. Now on effects panel, change clarity to 10. Now dehaze to 30. Now vignette to -30. Midpoint all the way to 0. Now go to split tone and change the highlights, hue to 259 and saturation to 8. In split tone itself, change the shadows, hue to 220 and saturation to 5. Now copy the settings and paste it to other photos.